Inside of an airport, the insane amount of technology in this little thing is just mind blowing. Due to the reputation of restaurant for staying open in extreme weather, the so-called Waffle House Index is informally used of FEMA to gauge storm severity. The doctor who discovered Ebola virus warned the world about the disease X, which could hit the world soon. Someone tried to sell New Zealand on eBay but was stopped once the bid reached $3,000. Scientists have found evidence of takeout of restaurant in the remnant of poppy. Maya Angelou was the first black female streetcar conductor in the San Francisco. All three women in 1885 photo are staying first female licensed doctor in their respective country, India, Japan and Syria. The biggest fossil of spider was found in China. It is 1 inch long and 165 million year old. A fawn curled up beside a fake deer, which is used for target practice. It shows that animals have the same feeling as human beings. Paranormal expert says that if you see someone unfamiliar in dream, it was actually the ghost watching while you sleep. This is a blue American rabbit. It was developed in 1970 by Lewis S. Salisbury, who never revealed what breed he used to create this variety. The inventor of Pringles was buried in Pringles can. Koi fish can live for centuries. The oldest one lived for 226 years. In the way, if you lose 1 kg of weight, the government give 3 gram of gold. You lose, you gain. The chance of having same fingerprint as someone else 1 out of 7 billions. The founder of KFC is actually from Indiana, not Kentucky. The roof of the Al Airlines jet ripped off in the mid-air at 24,000 feet, but the plane still managed to land safely. The bulletproof glass can be manufactured to be bulletproof one way, but allow you to shoot throughout in the other way. According to the Welsh legend, fairies used to ride corgis into the battle. Study reveals that after you die, you are conscious long enough to know actually you are dead. Switzerland is the only country in the world which could fit 114% of its population into bunker in the case of emergency. Snow owls, the only bird that can fly at 0.5 cm height and maintain this height. The world's most expensive hot dog cost $169.